guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gary from Gagstack. Hope you all fine. It's a new morning. Sun is just going to rise, and I hope that everyone has a good day today. Guys, I'm bringing you the good gadget. It's a very cool gadget, and it's still earning a hot space in 2025. This gadget is launched in 2023. It's Asus RoG Ally. Guys, today people are so much busy and they can't give time to their entertainment, so they are using costlier mobiles to play games, but it does not work because the if you see the price of the phone, it's launched at so much high price. After 1 year their price just drop of about 40-50%, and you also don't get any good resale value in it. And so this portable device is for those people who want to maintain their interest in the gaming and want to play heavy games which you can't enjoy on the mobile phone. It has 7-inch long display with a good battery backup of 2 hours on heavy gaming. And guys, this product is launched at 90k in 2023, so every person can't afford at this price because in India the people's missing income, average income is quite low, and there's a lot of taxes by the government, so they can't save much to buy this device. Now it's quite cheaper because the Asus has worked on its price, and it has put a new price tag of 40k in 2025. So it's in the budget of middle class people. They can now afford it. And on if they are having HDFC SBI credit card, they get a cashback of 1 to 2,000 also on this price on online. And guys, the main purpose that I'm giving you this video is that you just not only play game on this device, it has Windows 11 in it. You can make attachment, you can make a mini laptop out of it. You can do your daily work on this device. No need to spend money on a laptop mobile. Just play take this device and do your need what you want to do in your life. It also do editing, you also play games, you do WhatsApp, you also do video chats, anything you can do it. Guys, I have only one device left. It's I am using for a display purpose. Now I am just selling it out due to some money issues, so I am just cleaning out this device. It is very good, neat and neat conditions. You can look at it. It's have just some dust particles over here. It's a glass guard over it, so no need to worry. The main screen is intact in it. I just applied a glass guard over it, so you can see just seeing the dust effect on it. You can see how neat and clean the console is. It's in 100% working condition. I can offer you 2-month warranty on it, and if anyone wants a GST bill, I can provide a GST bill. I have bought this device at a price of 60,000. Now its price is 40k. I will give you a discount of 6,000 on it, and so my final price is 34,000 for this device. If anyone wants to buy this device, I can give the bill of 60,000 on his firm, so you can claim the GST input of 18%. If you will calculate, it's almost around 10 to 11,000. So I'm giving you device at a price of 35. If you take a claim of 11,000, the device just costs 24,000 to you. So it's a must buy price, and you can't miss this opportunity because I have only one piece left. So guys, whoever want to buy can tag me on a WhatsApp. First come first serve. the whoever person contact me first and send me money first, he will get the courier is free anywhere in India. So say guys, please, if you like my video, please share, subscribe and comment it. These things help me a lot to bring new content to you in the market. Okay guys, bye bye.